Buddy shark doo 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 doo, buddy shark doo 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 doo, buddy shark doo 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 doo, buddy shark. Hey friends, today we are going to be practicing ordering whole numbers. So you can compare any two whole numbers. One number will be greater than, okay, and that's what we're going to chomp, remember, and then the other number would be less than. And sometimes the numbers can be equal to the other number as well. So we're going to be using these symbols. We're going to be using the greater than, less than, greater than, and equal to signs to compare the numbers 548 and 552. All right, friends, so we're going to be practicing using these symbols, the less than, the greater than, and the equal to sign. And we're going to be comparing 548 and 552. We're going to use the strategy, a number line. So it tells us to draw a number line from 545, a little bit less than this number, okay, to 552, which is a little bit more than this number, okay? So we're going to use ones because those numbers are very close to one another. Step 2, what we're going to do is we're going to plot each number on the number line. So we're going to draw a point at 548. Okay, so there's 548, and another point at 552. So we can compare the numbers. The point for 548 is to the left of the point for 552. So we know that 548 is less than 552. So we're going to make sure we're going to chomp that bigger number, 552. All right, friends, go ahead and practice this with your 5 questions for homework tonight. Good luck.